Hi everyone, good day. Welcome to my tutorial on how to make a map using the GIS tools. But before that, let me introduce to you a quick introduction about the GIS or the Geographic Information System. The GIS or the Geographic Information System is to capture, analyze, and visualize spatial data to identify patterns and trends across locations. It supports decision making, resource management, and planning in sectors, which it offers an insights to address the to address real world challenges effectively. So first, so first download the QGIS app, and then after that click this QGIS, and wait for a second, and then click this new NP project, and then find layer and add layer, then choose this add vector layer. Then the file was the one that you download. It should be will be found here. So first, let me add this 0, and then the rest from 0 to 3. Okay, and then add. So same lang. Same lang yung process. Okay, and then add. Then text. Then after that, contract these 3. Then click this HLADM 0 and right click. Click this properties. And then if you want to change color, then click symbology. Then click this. Kung ano yung prefer na color na gusto mo, yun yung pipiliin mo. Okay. After that, click this project and find new print layout. And then put timeline. And then okay. Then add map. Click this. Drag down. Then zoom it. Click this. After that, scroll down and click item properties. And find grids. Click this plus and then modified grid. Then the interval that I want is 4. So it depends kung ano yung gusto mo na interval. And then after that, click line style and click opacity, and it should be 0%. Then after that, back again, scroll down, click this frame style and find line border. If you want baga na thickness, you can adjust here. So for me, 50. And after that, check these raw coordinates. And then should be vertical sa left. Same lang yung sa right, vertical, sending. Then if you want na dako yung numbers mo, you can change this. And then back. So for me, ako i-adjust yung map ko. And then after that, back dun sa yung pinakauna mo na ginawa, and then click this PHL and then PDM1, check this, then zoom in. So my study area for my thesis is here lang sa Misamis Oriental, and my location is Naawan. And so first, zoom in and highlight the Misamis Oriental. Then after the highlight, click this, and then right click, and then click this export and save selected feature as. Then after that, my file name is Misamis Oriental. Okay. So for the second, same lang yung process sa 1 dito sa 2. But yung pipiliin mo ay lugar na ng Naawan. So here is the Naawan. So highlight again, highlight the Naawan, then right click, then export, Then choose Save Selected Features As. Then put Naawan. So enter Naawan for the file name. And then uncheck this PHL ADN2 and PHL ADN1. And then zoom out. Then I want to change color for my Naawan. So you click the symbology. And then tap to this second na. Then click refresh to highlight the Misamis Oriental and the Naawan. So after that, find lock layers. Lock these two para dili masira yung pang ikalawa mo na map. Then lock this also. Then balik pa din. And then click PHL ADN2, zoom in, and then find the Pinangkayan. So this part is the Naawan, and each of these boundaries have barangay. So for me, Pinangkayan na yung site ko for thesis. So highlight this Pinangkayan. And then properties, click normal. Same lang yung process kanina, yung ginawa natin. Select ko. Then yung barangay name is then okay. After that, check and put a label. So go to properties, then click labels, then single labels, choose single labels, then name 1 for the name 2 for the municipality. Then here, same process, but yung pipiliin mo is name 3 for the barangay. So this map, this is for the third map. Then add then zoom in. And then click grid, modify, set a point. So this is a point. Same lang Japan yung kanina, yung ginawa natin. Then don't forget to lock. Lock this and also here. So back again. So the highlight Misamis Oriental and Awan should be add to the second. So tapos naman tayong gumawa nun, i-check lang natin ito na Misamis Oriental and then ADN0 no, Misamis Oriental lang at saka ng Awan. Pwede rin i-check mo yung ADN0 mo para mas maganda. Then, may label man yung Awan. So, click properties again to vanish the Awan label. So, click this and choose no labels. So, after that, balik tayo dito and then add map pa rin. Then click this to move the content or to bring the content. Then add labels. So for me, yung gagamitin ko na font is Rockwell Extra Bold. Then my size is 12. So It depends kung ano yung prefer mo. And then, yan lang yung sa akin dito sa scrinkle. Yung font at saka size. Name, ano pala, name 1 yung i-click mo, hindi yung 0. Back key, and then click to press. Karan. Then, change ko yung color ko kasi hindi nakita. So, same lang din yung gagawin mo. Change color lang. Then, white. Ano, hindi pala. Try na. Ano naman? Blue. Then, send lang yung sinaalan ko yung pipiliin natin. And then, back here. And then, refresh with this. Here. Then, send lang yung gagawin natin. Zero 0.5 here. And then, after that, black layers. Record, black layers. So, para pag na same sila, ng color, yung thickness. So, gagawin natin ito sa matte one. Check this, unlock this, and this. Wait. So, para gagawin yun, dapat ino-reverse muna natin ito. Para hindi ma-reflect yung name dun sa selecting map natin ng app. Dahil then after that, find the arrow, or you can add rectangle here, but for me I will use add arrow. So let's start here, then I will just the pointing and then do the same here sa ganun tayo. And then lock, check all this. Then after that, add the north arrow. So right, and then click this. Punta ka sa icon properties. Then click the arrows. Then ito yung ginamit ko. Then to make it black, click this raster image. And then after that, locked. Then lastly, the label. So hit level, legend. So here is the legend. Add, then draw, and then click legend, click here, then punta ka sa icon properties, then uncheck this auto update, then so yung violet, wala man tayong violet dito na color, so dapat delete. So yung gagawin natin, minus lang yung pang-delete natin. Click here. So that's THLADN2, click. And day 3. Then double click and edit Philippines. Back. Then drag up. Then next. Then after that, put legend here. So if you want to change a font or text formatting, click this type of font. For me, Rockwell lang yung gagamitin ko. Yeah. And then, so the first font, so yung gagamitin ko. Click refresh. Then after that, click this save project on my final image. And save. Then, punta ka dito, save mo yung picture or anything you want. Meron namang dito, PDF, SVG, image. But first, save mo na to. Then, yung gusto ko, picture lang. Save image. And then, ito yung name na gusto ko. Then save. So, ayun, na-save na yun. Ito, dito rin. Save na ito. So, that's all. Thank you for watching.